Right folks, well I left the tripod in the chapel when I've been doing that Commodore 64 video, so rather than walk across there, we've propped it up on a scanner. That's a scanner as in optical scanner, not a radio scanner. So we've done this York 863. This is the one with incredible receive, full watt output, 0.21 microvolts for 12 decibel cyanide. This is a set that was a box set, and it's nice that we've been able to sort it out, because it's one of these sets which has been 80 channeled and turned into an illegal play toy, and it even disabled the dimmer, which is frustrating. I've heard one or two people chatting on it, but obviously we're in the middle of nowhere, so we don't get much of that. And I think the ultrasonic cleaner is about to finish with my gramophone records. There's an old-fashioned term. I've got my extension speaker plugged in, about to plug in. Let's see where Mr Chippie is. Go to Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodge, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Yep, roger that, and let me know when you're ready.
Roger, on that I'm now ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger. Now today we've got Mark, who's visiting for the weekend, G7NDJ, and he's going to be behind Mr Chippie. Mark's going to be in his own car. Now Mark's Nissan Juke is a contract hire car.
Recording.
Roger, I've got you going past, and recording. We've got a tone control.
Roger that, so I'm heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing a passing place, which hasn't been defaced, and soon passing the entrance to doggy daycare, which somebody's parked in.
Roger on that. So I've done that. I'm just going to doing the introduction, talking about Mark.
Yep, roger that.
So yeah, Mark's in a lease hire car, so he can't put holes in it. So he's got a bit of a compromise with boot lip mount aerial. He's got the CRT mic, I think he has, and because that's what he serviced here once about 18 months ago.
Come up to the end of the lane if you're not transmitting.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Mark
The lane.
Roger.
I can just check you're there. Okay, nothing from Mark.
Are we carrying on the test?
Yes, carry on.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that, Glazers Lancaster service station.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger that, I forgot what it was then.
Roger. Remember, we haven't finished that Comptron yet. You weren't happy with the transmit performance, so obviously we're on a totally different set, and this will prove whether everything is normal or whether it's that set over.
Oh yeah, that's fair enough. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill. Let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Mark, you there?
21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
You got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Wilsford.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a York JCB863 from 1981. Here's the Cybernet 134 chassis. It's a full forward output and it's standard replacement microphone.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger, noted.
Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Yeah, the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, I've got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this York JCB863 from 1981. It's a full 4 watt output, showing 1.2 amps. Received that, and I am running on to low power, which I've set for 400 milliwatts. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we are, back on full power. Over.
Yeah, roger that. No problem on full power, but couldn't hear you on low power.
Yes, and that just proves that it's the weather and not all the radios.
Yep, roger that.
All the time of year, shall I say. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Roger.
Take it, sir.
Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, done it.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, petrol 146.9 and diesel 149.9.
Good, I'm just going to switch the speech presence to clear to see work. Second one to 3 on clear, and that's fine from Tango 21 over.
Yep, clear position just makes it tinny.
Roger, go back to normal. Thanks very much, 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
21 from Mr Chippie, now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger on that, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
That's petrol 146.9 and diesel 149.9.
Roger, I'm just going to switch the speech processor to clear just in case it works. Testing 1, 2, 3 on clear, and that's fine from Tango 21 over.
Yeah, clear position is next 16.
Roger, go back to normal. Thanks very much. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Right, that's worked absolutely brilliant. And I don't know what happened to Mark, but no doubt we'll find out. And what we're going to do with Mark, we'll no doubt do tomorrow. Tomorrow we've got a not a Sun 401, no, the D'Amico Convoy, which is the same set. We've got 2 in from a dealer in Sheffield, and I won't do both together, but I'll put something else in between. So that's what we've got planned, and he's just sent the chassis in, so not going to be as visual doing chassis, but that's it. We'll go over to our base station and we'll see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900, which of course has the same insides as this set. They're both our Cybernet 134s.
Tango 21, setting the York JCB863 on into our Midland 76900 base station. I can see Mark is still in our driveway, so he didn't set off at all. So we'll go up to low power. This was on full power, just as a hum text, but these sets don't suffer from hum. There we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then back to full power there. Now I'm going to dig the original mic out of the box and we'll see if it works. Tango 21 on the original mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just pop it onto low power again. There we are, the hum test.